Hello, do y'all? It's your boy Bright. I'm back with no video. And I got robbed. I lost my phone, man. I promise you, he legit stole my phone. Tell me, look, he bumped into me 3 times, roll loud. And then the 3rd time, he hit me on my shoulder. And every time he bumped into me, he kept saying sorry. The 3rd time, he hit me on my shoulder. I'm like, is this nigga good? And then I walked away. And then I realized my phone was gone. It was over. I called it like 2 minutes later. Straight to voice message every time. That shit really killed my vibe for rolling out a little bit. But I was taught as a kid not to stress shit. It's not good to stress shit in life. So it is what it is. I just lost some content. I was gonna meet my crush, pulled up to the crib late, 2 a.m. We was drinking and daring. We missed y'all. Ain't gonna see that unless I find my phone back. I had a bunch of my clothing brand plans and future endeavors, all of my notes, that shit gone. I got 2 phones, but on this, my business phone, I don't got nothing on there but like regular business shit. So now, I went out my main phone, but it is what it is, you live, you learn. I'm gonna show you whatever I record for the weekend. We're still going daily upload, because I was gonna give up and be like, nah, I ain't gonna daily upload no more, like, I don't know, but I feel like this is my sign to keep grinding. Like, I'm only going, what, 14 days straight now. That's my sign to just don't give up and to keep going. This is tell y'all to, like, when something pushes you back, we get a big setback in life, keep going forward. I'm gonna keep daily up, like I said, for the rest of the month, 30 days straight. We're just gonna keep on keeping on, like I'm saying. So let me show y'all what happened for Rolling Loud, because I had my phone for like the first, like, I lost it at Trippy Red, so everything, I'm gonna show you everything that happened to me after I lost my phone with this phone. Quality not gonna be as good, you know what I'm saying, bear with me. I'll probably get a new phone, hopefully this week, we'll see, you know what I'm saying.
Somebody please help him over there, come on. Touch my game. Ice on my neck, coffee, ×3. Ain't nothing down for a nigga to get free. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I was feeling like I'm Keenan, run around with a counter.
One of my Kool-Aid, that mean my money sweet. Oh, you gotta see what is on your shade? Shade, I mean, I see them. Like 65 money change, I'm on the 8. How you feeling? I'm saying chill. Try to be like a piece, girl.